Hi, I'm Ebony Bridwell-Mitchell, the Faculty Chair for the School Leaders of Color Organizational Development Collaborative. I'm a professor here at the Harvard Graduate School of Education, and I study how to leverage the principles of organizations and leadership and management to improve our schools so they best serve all students and help them develop their fullest potential. As an educator of color, I know just how hard it can be to get the support needed to tackle tough issues and to solve real-time practice problems in the moment. I also know how hard it can be to find a community that's mutually committed to each other's professional development and capacity as effective leaders. The School Leaders of Color Organizational Development Collaborative is designed to be just such a community. Together, members of the collaborative will leverage our collective expertise, guided by principles of organizational development, to help each of us thrive as individuals, as professionals, and as effective leaders in our organizational contexts in the education sector. If this sounds like just the kind of experience, just the kind of community you've been searching for, I really hope you'll take the time to learn a little bit more about the initiative. I really look forward to seeing as many of you there as possible. Take care.